Forgive them, Father, for they have sinned.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I really want to apologise to everyone that is subscribed to me with my uploading. It's really sucky at the moment. I've been really busy. I'm moving again. I've been working loads and YouTube just keeps getting pushed back. I've got a month to move out with my husband. We're still together. It's just we've decided that this isn't the house we want. So other than that, I'm fine, and I am bringing you a box of Goth unboxing. This theme is 666 and it's Maze box, so I am late. But let's get it open and see what's inside. Okay. Right, so let's just take this out. Hopefully it's not the list. Okay. So it's the Devil Pentagram. I can't remember what it's called. Don't judge me. And it's Binsfeld's classification of demons. The devil made me do it. So I think this is just some information about the types of demons there are. And then I think this is a Bubba's Melties from what I can see. Yep. Little Bubba's Melties, cute. The Wax Assist. Right, I'm just going to quickly... Sacrificial blood scent, apparently. I'm just going to quickly open this and smell it. Ooh. It's berries. Yeah, it's berries. Smells good though. Oh, these are a pair of sockies. They are. Oh, look. Gotta do it. Oh my god. Oh. So yeah, just a pair of socks with flames going around the ankles. They're cute. I've got to put these on. Is that about the right placement? Right, let's take this one out. It's a pin badge. Oh, these horns are cute. I like them. It's a one-way ticket to hell. Cute. That's going on my board. This one. And I think it's a necklace. Yes. I'll definitely wear this one. I will definitely wear this. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, cool. I was literally just talking about getting some earrings like this to Mama Goth like the other week. Now they're not as big, but they're probably perfect actually. So look, they've got plastic coating on them. Yay! I was literally talking to her about getting some, and they're really light, and I even said about the weight and things. Like, these are these are awesome. So sorry, can't contain my excitement. I waited ages to open this box for you guys. Oh, I'm gonna grab this little dude. It's a patch. Now, I don't have a patch coat. I've got so many of these from Box of Goth, but my husband has decided to steal them. And I don't know what he's going to do with them, but devil horns. Right, and then there is the little 666 theme badge. And there's a sticker of almighty Satan himself. Oh, it's a little tarot. I love these. And then I stick them somewhere and then I instantly regret it because I wish it was somewhere else. And then this is the list of what we've got, and this, I don't know, maybe an artwork piece. Oh, that's cool. Ignore my cat making strange noises. So that was a good box. I'm happy with that. I need to find an outfit that will make them socks go with it. Maybe some fishnets and creepers, maybe. So Satan's box, the Wax Assist Pentagram by Bubba's Melties. Hot Like Hell fashion socks. I have the number around my neck, 666 necklace. Little devil hair clip. Oh, so cute. Sign of the Horns embroidery patch. Summoning the Devil Within illustration by Lavender Seance. A Devil Tarot card sticker. See you there, Hell, admit one pin. And the theme badge pin. And then extra sub box item, the Symbol of Evil earrings. Oh my God, I love earrings so much. I'm definitely gonna wear these bad boys out. Yeah, that's the box, and I like that box. So I don't know if they've got any more in stock, so you have to check their website. But I've literally been waiting weeks to open this for you guys. I'm so glad I've opened it now. So I am really, really sorry about the delay of videos, and I'm gonna try and get on it, back into the groove of uploading weekly. So hopefully I don't lose any of you guys, because every single sub means so much to me. And if you have Instagram, follow me. My name is literally Paige Toddington. I will put it on the screen now. You can follow me. I always follow back and keep up to date with me. I'm always asking questions on there. Talk to me if you want to. And yeah, let's be friends. So thank you for watching. Have a spooky, spooky day, and I will see you all soon. Bye.